Hi everyone, welcome back. I'm Utpal Raj and in this video I will show you how to add AppleCare Plus to your Mac after purchase. So if you didn't buy AppleCare Plus when you purchased your Mac, then you may still be able to add it later. But first you need to check eligibility for this. And to check this, first click on Apple logo at top left corner of the screen, then select System Settings. Now look for General Settings option in the left side panel and click on it. Then select AppleCare and Warranty. Now within this page, you will see all the associated devices with your Apple ID. So just select your Mac, and if your Mac is still eligible for AppleCare Plus, you will see an option to add AppleCare plan. So if it is eligible, then select AppleCare plan, and on the next screen, you will see AppleCare Plus plan available for your Mac. So make the payment and follow on-screen instruction. Once the purchase is completed, AppleCare Plus will be added to your Mac. So that's it. If this video helped you in any way, make sure to like it, share it and subscribe to this channel. Thanks for watching.